Even when I get me taken a mono because as you know, so more than 117 see from a Southeast Journal Army. That 117 I get them. Because Nigerian media na to us. Nigerian Army are a bunch of liars. If they are not liars, kede case you be a general na Nigerian Army, President Tagaro, Vice President Tagaro, mbe nilia, mana hano na medu greba hana eme party. Ini a general in the army, a captain, a commander. Still they did not even panic. So news report has seen us also mad 117 called 200 on the more equated the ass. And obono is you could those people need the what happy hotel. And even investigation of those people are not in the Igbo safe. When you want them to remember say Igbo, go we book one along Guzono. Mana before then, me actually we had a lie. The next one night walk us switch your horonana. Now this video. Bikini nature, till I hear what other comments show Makarana and Chiatazo. Kaikuzie, he was a lie. Called the one.
Nigeria is very, very funny. Nigeria is very, very funny. You are looking for Igbo youth that will join Nigerian Army. Is it the Igbo youth you already killed? Is it the ones you already wasted in the name of Operation Python Dance? During Operation Python Dance, you killed over 700 Igbo youths. During Igbo massacre, you killed over 500 Igbo youths. During Crocodile Tears, you guys killed about 1,000 Igbo youths. Go to Obi Zebalak, they buried Igbo youths alive there. What are the crimes of those people? Nothing. They are demanding for good governance. They are demanding for their freedom. If you cannot give them good governance, that is the only crime they committed. They didn't kill anybody. They didn't kill Nigerian soldiers. They didn't kill Nigerian military. They didn't kill Nigerian police. They didn't kill Nigerian SARS. They didn't touch any police or military. In 2017, they were only demanding for good governance, or you give them Biafra. You went in and killed them in thousands. Lekki Tollgate, you wasted a lot of souls. All of them youths, and they are brave youths. Those are the people that are supposed to enter the Nigerian Army today, but you already killed them. Which country on this planet Earth kills their youths? These are the people that will defend us tomorrow. You already killed them. You wasted all of them. You call them bastards. They are bloody civilians. You kill all of them. Today, you are still looking for those you already killed. Oga, go to the land of the dead and bring them back. They are the brave ones. They are the ones who are supposed to join the army now. But you have already wasted them, and you come to the southeast and be telling us that only 200 people joined. Even those 200 people, I'm not sure that you get up to 200 people, because you people can lie for Africa. Nigeria is known for lying. I'm not even sure that you have up to 200, because the remaining ones in southeast has already left the country. Go to Enugu State SWAT, you will see a lot of youth ravishing there. When you go there and you want to find out what they did, nothing. They did not do anything. No. You just caged them there. Maybe you suspected them to be IPOB, just like that. Being IPOB is now a very evil something. While you are recruiting bandits, you rehabilitate them and send them back to their residence in the north. But when you come to southeast here, even if somebody cough as a youth, you kill him. Go to Okozo SARS and see how youth are wasting. Go to Obi Zebalak, they buried the youth alive. I'm not talking about maybe they say Obibo massacre. How many thousands of youth you wasted there under weakest watch? Imo State, you are killing youth on daily basis. So which youth again are you people fucking looking for in the southeast? Which youth will go enter Nigeria army? I want to know. Is it the ones you already killed? Go and wake them up, make them join the army. Which country kills their youth? This country is very, very useless, and you people even come out to come outside again. Hey, Southeast is not joining the army. So it's not like we don't want to join the army, but you have already killed those people that are going to join the army. Understand this thing first. You have already killed those youths that is supposed to join the army. You rebelled all of them ESN, you rebelled all of them IPOB and killed them. Even before IPOB started holding guns, like before IPOB created ESN, you already wasted so many of their youths. During the time of Operation Python Dance in 2017, IPOB has no ESN then. During the time of NSAS, IPOB gets ESN, no. During the time of Obibo massacre, during the time of Crocodile Tears, where you killed thousands of Igbo people, IPOB gets ESN then, no. But you killed thousands of youth then. During those periods, there is nothing like ESN. So, what did you rebel them? Nothing. You only rebel them as agitators, right? And you wasted them like that. Which country they kill their youth? They don't already kill those youth that are supposed to enter the army. So, go straight to the north. If you know how they carry Boko Harams, they put into the army. Carry more Boko Haram, put there. Very soon, una go understand. Because you don't know the northern people very well. Una go understand for this country. Yeah. Now the Nigerian army is filled up with bandits and Boko Haram. Go and add more of them. Those people you rehabilitated over 700 and something Boko Haram last week. Carry those people now and put them inside the army. Why are you disturbing the Igbos? I don't know when I get out.
Thank you for watching that man. If you go hear that man, like in my own opinion, mwa kwe kwetero. Kwe hum askuru onwe hebuna. You not like this guy see where to wire. Even the things this guy mentioned, Operation Crocodile Dance, Python Dance, Konkere Dance, we wanna dance. Those things on your own day by back. Mother them will even up to it today. Some parents are still looking for their children. So today I'm gonna have of time of making this video. Some parents are still looking for their children. Some also are not accounted for. Some also are not accounted for. Till today I'm gonna happen. Check him many years ago. Ondu nubu oseku na sebe ajoin onefozi. Onefo umwikolobi onekunu na goniyi. Onko ya bepota sene bo onye Biafra attack ya gene bo IPOB member. Acho ewe aishi ya gbawuge. Zidata ndị police na na-egbu ndị police na-egbu ndị ha na-egbu na-akpọkọ ndị ha na-akpọ eti na nga emente ememo. Enwezi aka esi wee nweta nwa big man ọbụla instead of ijelu nwa big man ewelu ndụ nwa poor man enweta from somewhere along the roadside wee replace ya wee gbofuso ha. I like him goes to mention ma ọkụzụ SARS ihe na-eme dị iji ahịra place ndị nọ nche abụchara ndị Igbo anyị mana ya they are using it ka wee mee gịnị ka wee na ndụ youth n'iyi. Ọbụna nke ha dịrọ gị mma nye nke Imo steeti anụ nwa Tiger Base ebe aka na-eme one of the highest crime against humanity and nobody is saying anything about it. One of the biggest crime against humanity is being committed. The atrocities upon and hang your mother upside down na appear Italy just to admit you hub. Ni eli di patambo si ame video na aka Harrison kedi heme ni jidele na appear hotel that the outcast na the 15 code 13 number. Police ni kidnap mother bulugiga in an unknown destination force you to make video kwetene ihe na abroad. The girls they force them to make video na haba akwana piasia he talefu aho this girl no mkinike me nothing just because n'ezi pulon operation nwere ndị onofu decide to recruit ndị na nwa obol kadachi na adoro enough achọrọ m na video ebe ndị police na-eme protest. I have the last video nchoji emechiri ten ha na-eme protest mgbe na-asị mgbe unu yi uniform kedu alụ unu commit na this country. I believe that any police who wanna put out for protest in this country get what they deserve. I will even suggest another place in the to shoot tear gas them the way I see tear gas the youth. Buy put out for police reform, put out for NSAS, put out for everything. You people are used as a tool to destabilize a country, to destabilize a youth that are coming for your safety, that are coming for your today. You people are using we are used yesterday to destabilize your tomorrow, which is today. Get you na put go protest, una fugo ko siade. But when ni mona because mbolonya koloko ya agolo. I believe from now when police are innocent. Most of you are corrupt. You people have blood in your hands. Most of you have bloods in your hands, especially those ones posted in Asaba, Delta, Anambra, Lagos, Bini, Benue, Edo. All those people, you guys has blood in your hands. Except those ones, people are not exempted though. As long as neighbor is in those places mentioned, you guys got what you deserve because most of you, all of you are wicked and heartless. So in the nature's here, till I hear in a comment section. God the one.
Okay, this is where we choose to stay. We are fighting for our benefit, our rights. Please, sir. So we are not collecting bribe from them. We're after blocking the road.
They give you grace of 2 weeks, no answer. Are we slaves? We are not slaves. With our fatherland. We are not slaves.
Okay, let them arrest us.
They should treat us with dignity and respect.
Money, sir. Money, sir.
Before you get time of money,
because we have spoken a lot. We have been in that law for many years.
if you identify with them, what then so what remain again? They must treat us dignity and respect because we serve Nigeria with all our strength for complete 35 years. So we are calling head of state to ascend our bill as a matter of righteousness. Or else we will continue to remain here. We will communicate with the
They will come to their power. We are prepared. I'm not a living corpse. Nobody can. I don't have much to do. I did. Why is not compromising? You know what I'm compromising?
They are. We have evidence. They are. We have had a lot of this many times. Is there? Let them go. We will remain here.